So, I would like to know from the Minister in charge the status of the new camp building and the timeline for its completion and functioning.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the construction of 36 unit barrack at the cost of 1,39,78,500 have been sanctioned in 2017 and the work started in 2018, and at present the construction is on and is on the verge of completion.
Sir, at the moment, as stated in answer A, it is a temporary camp. I would like to know from the Minister in charge, what are the criteria or guidelines for a rural fire station?
Sir, the Mawngap Fire and Service temporary camp was functioning because of the need of the people, and we from the police department, we are moving to the government to sanction this particular upgrade this temporary camp into the full-fledged fire and service station. But as of today, the government have not sanctioned. We are awaiting for the sanctioning of this particular fire station so that it could be upgraded into the full-fledged fire service center.
So I wanted to know the criteria, the guidelines.
So the criteria and the guideline don't have with me. I require notice.
Okay, to the best of my knowledge, sir, the temporary camp covers an area that starts from Umding Punit 7 mile all the way to Dangar, which is in Mawngap constituency. The length of the area is approximately 86 kilometers, and the coverage area is almost 748 square kilometers. So if anything were to happen as far as Dangar, would the said camp for Mawngap be able to reach the area in time?
So the information is not available with me regarding the actual square kilometer of the coverage of this particular temporary camp. So I require notice for that, sir.
Last question. I would like to know from the Minister in charge, after he's gone through the guidelines, whether it would be possible for the department to turn the temporary camp into a fire station camp.
So the proposal have already sent by the department in 2019 to the government for sanctioning of this new fire service station at Mawngap.